Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide all of your Facebook photos on your profile on the Facebook app. So the first step is we want to go down to the bottom right where we see this menu icon here. Next, we want to scroll down until we see the settings and privacy option here. Let's go ahead and click on the drop down and click on where it says settings. Next, we need to scroll down until we see profile and tagging right here. Let's go ahead and click on that. Next, go down to where it says tagging and click on where it says who can see posts you're tagged in on your profile. And you want to go ahead and set this to only me. And what this will do is it will only enable you to see the photos on your profile page, so no one else can see them. However, if you only want specific friends to see your photos, you can go to where it says specific friends and you can choose the friends from your list that you want to be able to see your photos. So that is how you can hide all of your Facebook photos on your profile page on the Facebook app. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like, but that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.